Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress offline with XAMPP. First, download and install XAMPP, a free and open-source cross-platform web server solution stack. Once installed, open the XAMPP control panel and start both the Apache web server and MySQL database modules. You can confirm XAMPP is running correctly by typing localhost into your web browser's address bar. This initial setup is crucial for creating your local development environment. Next, you'll need to get the WordPress files. Head over to WordPress.org and download the most recent version of WordPress. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file. Locate your XAMPP installation directory, usually in your C drive, and find the htdocs folder. Copy the extracted WordPress folder into htdocs and rename it to something easy to remember, like My Website or Blog. Now, let's create a database for your WordPress site. Open your web browser and go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. This is the interface for managing your MySQL databases. On the left-hand side, click on New to create a brand new database. Give it a straightforward name, perhaps MyWordPressDB, and then click Create. Remember this database name, as you'll need it in the next step for the WordPress installation. Finally, it's time to install WordPress. In your web browser, go to localhost/mywebsite, or whatever you named your WordPress folder. You'll be prompted to choose a language and then begin the installation. When asked for database details, enter the database name you just created, use root as the username, and leave the password field empty. Complete the remaining steps, and your offline WordPress site will be ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.